Welcome back, guys. So hey, if this is your first time here, my name's Tim, and I'm just an ordinary guy trying to do some extraordinary things. I have like 4 side businesses. I guess they're all kind of side hustles, but I have four side businesses. And this channel is dedicated to showing you guys how I run those businesses, because like I said, I'm just an ordinary guy, and I just want to show you guys that you can do it. If you put your mind to it, you can get stuff done. And hopefully I can inspire somebody to get out there and do something that you've been wanting to do. So today's video is going to be a collection video for my vending machine business, and also we're going to go out and try to pitch our charity boxes that we got. We got some charity boxes, but in order to place those charity boxes, I need my confidence level to go high a little higher than where it is right now. And this is kind of not helping with the confidence, right? My hair is a mess. I need to shave real bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to go see my buddy in Manteca before we do all that. All right, stick around. Don't go anywhere. All right, let's do it. All right, now we're ready. All right, guys, we're here. It's 9:30. I had an appointment at 9:30. I've been trying to call him. He's not answering. I don't even know if this place is open right now. Knock, knock.
Yo.
Oh, he's here. I've been blowing you up all morning, dude.
I lost my phone in Frisco.
Oh, your boy over here, dude. I almost didn't come in. I was like, I better just go check.
I messaged you on Instagram, though.
What'd you say?
I messaged you on IG.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, the IG is... There he is. It's my boy Booger. All right, guys, so now I'm feeling all fresh. Got a nice clean razor shave going. We're gonna run up in the mover's place. We're gonna take inventory and we're gonna pull some money out. All right, let's do this. Alright, so last time I was here, these guys said they wanted me to put bangs in, but I explained that, I needed the rock stars to be gone before I get bangs. So it looks like they cleaned out the rock stars, so we're in good shape here. Cokes still aren't moving, so I think we're gonna put these at the other location. Probably not today. That'll be a different day. But the Code Red is sold out. The rock stars are sold out. And it looks like the Gatorade's moving. Yeah, so things are looking good. All right, let's go get the stuff and fill it up. It sure is a good thing that I have a truck. That way I could put all my vending products inside my car. Ugh. So these guys really like Code Red, so I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 12-packs in, because that way I don't have to, get another 12-pack next week. So this location turns out to be a pretty legit location. I'm pretty happy with it so far. I kind of forgot that I had said that I wanted to switch out the Coca-Colas. Right now I don't want to pull the Cokes out of here just yet because I don't have anything to replace them with. I should have got some Sprite. So next week, don't let me forget, guys. Get some Sprite or something to replace the Coca-Colas with. I think you guys said Lipton Brisk iced tea. I'll try that. I'll see if these guys want that, and then that's when we'll switch them out. I completely forgot. All right, also, I remember to bring the labels. I remembered something. I remembered to bring the labels, but I forgot that we're gonna switch products. So on the machine, look, I have my old homemade labels on here, but I brought my labels from candymachinelabels.com, Ernie Brown, so I'm gonna switch it up.
I'm driving by, I'm riding high, still trying to rise, though, baby. It's only the future. Don't try to fight, don't cry tonight, just dry your eyes, my baby. It's only the future. I'm driving by.
Oh, what is that? Oh, I gotta get that out of there. Slipping today. I didn't bring rock stars. So for whatever reason, the Pepsis and Mountain Dews usually sell. They didn't this week. Fanta's got down. Root beers. I saw I need root beers, rock stars. Switch these out for Coke. So I don't know if you guys saw that guy came in and was like, hey, it stole my soda or my machine. Dude, I know that machine is working flawlessly. So I'll give him the benefit of the doubt, and I gave him a soda. I just ain't even trying because I'm going to have to raise the prices. I got all the Pepsi and all the canned sodas at 85 cents, except for the Tiki Punch, which is at 75 cents, which is funny because I make more on that one than I do the other ones. Anyhow, yeah, so I hooked them up, but I'm out of rock stars. I don't have rock stars, and even worse than that, oh God, here comes the train. Even worse than that, you guys, I forgot to change the price on the bangs. So if they're there buying bangs right now, I'm losing money. I'm losing money because the rock stars all selling at $2. I can't afford to sell, dude. I can't, or they're, yeah, $2. I can't afford to sell the bangs at $2 because that's basically what I'm paying for them. So I gotta jam back, dude. That sucks. Oh, son of a. Oh, the longest 10 minutes of my life. All right, let's go see how much money we lost. Oh, man. All right, guys, so I got the prices changed just in time. Some guy wanted to go in there and buy as soon as I was leaving, so I actually didn't lose anything. So they're all in there, but I got to figure out the Coke situation and the Squirt situation. This is all bad, man. Nobody's buying those. All right, wait. Oh, yeah, before we go, I'm gonna skip the claw machine collection today. So claw machine collection will be in another video, probably later this week, maybe even the next day after, whenever this one comes out. All right, guys, we made it back home safe and sound. We actually changed the price just in the nick of time, so it took us a little bit more than we had expected, but that's the good and the bad, right? I mean, just like my channel is all about, I just show you guys that, you know, I'm just a regular guy out there trying to learn a new industry, a new trade. So anyways, let's count it up. We'll start with the movers.